What's up everybody? I'm Tyrone, this is Bonnie. Today we're going to be making a vegan spaghetti. Let's begin. First we need 1 pound onion. Sorry, give it back to you. 5 cloves of garlic. We'll just chop that up right now. Alright, I have lost my assistant, but I've chopped the onion. Now I'm going to chop 5 cloves of garlic. I like garlicky, tasty things, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Alright, so I've got my onion chopped, I've got my garlic chopped. Now I'm going to boil the kettle, and once it's boiled I'll show you what we're going to do. Alright, so next, TVP. This is going to be our protein, our mince that we're going to use. We usually use beans as well, but TVP is really nutritious, it's really delicious, and it's just great. So let's get started. We're going to have 1 cup of TVP. Now you can get this Marcel stock powder beef. It's actually vegan. It's just a flavour. So we need to sprinkle this on top. So we want about 1 tablespoon just on top of the TVP. Sprinkle that on top. Right, now you want to put 1 cup of water in the TVP and let it sit. Make sure it's all covered. There we go, nice. Alright, so we're going to let the TVP sit aside and on to the next thing. Right, so you want to put a dash of oil into your fry pan. Now you want to chuck in your onion and garlic mixture into the pan. Cook on a medium to high heat. Alright, now you want to start chopping up your mushrooms while that's frying in the fry pan. Also got a pot of water behind me just on, warming up the pasta. Let's get started. Alright, so we have a lot of mushrooms, but don't worry, it may look like a lot, but they shrink, and this is like some thinly cut, but I like to do it thicker. Taste it that way. Right, after the onion's fried up, what you want to do is chuck in the mushroom. Stir that through until the mushrooms cook up. A lot of mushrooms, I know, but trust me, it's going to be worth it in the end. Also, you want to drizzle in some olive oil just to keep it moist. Alright, so while the mushrooms are cooking, you're going to grab a tin of organic diced tomatoes. What you're going to do, blend it so it's the sauce of the spaghetti. Okay, so now that the sauce is mixed, put it aside. The water's now boiled, so we're going to chuck our pasta on. Okay, so you want to chuck about maybe 1/2 to 3/4 of a bag of spaghetti. See the mushrooms shrunk dramatically, so it was good that I had that amount. It was quite a lot. Also, what you want to do here now is just chuck in the TVP that's been set aside. Chuck all of it in. Give it a good mix. Okay, now what we're going to do. Teaspoon of sage, teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of garlic. Then we're going to go tablespoon of basil, tablespoon of thyme, and 10 cracks of each of salt and pepper. Alright, so we chuck in our herb spice. Stir that through. So now that's fried up, we want to turn our heat down to a low medium. We want to chuck in 2 tablespoons of, we use pizza sauce, but tomato paste. We want to chuck in our sauce. And a handful of baby spinach. So you want to stir that through for a couple minutes. Make sure all the sauce is in there nice. Wait till the spinach is wilted. So after the pasta is boiled for about 8 minutes, it's done. Take it off and drain it. Okay, pasta's ready and the spaghetti's ready. So serve it up and we're done. Ooh. That? Once you're served up, grab some nutritional yeast, and you're done. Here, Bonnie, I'll let you do the honours. Grab a handful and chuck it on the spaghetti. The nooch one, chuck it on there. You want to do it? No, like the whole thing. Get your hand and you sprinkle it on. Grab a little piece. No, in your hand. Use it in your hand. Here. Can you put your hand in there and grab some? Just a little bit. Little. Okay, sprinkle it over. Well done and finished. That's it. Vegan spaghetti.